Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Thomax, and welcome to Health Hub Central, your trusted source for science-based strategies to help you, our incredible audience of health enthusiasts, adults over 50, and dedicated caregivers, stay strong, energized, and live longer, healthier lives. We're here to empower you with knowledge for a truly vibrant future. Before we dive into today's vital topic, if you're committed to preserving muscle health, strengthening your joints, and achieving balanced nutrition, please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell emoji. This ensures you won't miss any of our upcoming, highly informative videos designed specifically for your wellness journey. Today, we're going to unravel the profound importance of collagen for maintaining robust muscle health in older adults. We'll also explore which natural foods are your best allies in helping your body effectively absorb and utilize this crucial protein. Get ready to transform your understanding of aging and vitality. Today's discussion is absolutely fundamental for anyone seeking healthy aging, how to effectively maintain and even build muscle as we gracefully navigate the years. This isn't merely about aesthetics, it's about safeguarding your independence, sustaining your vitality, and significantly enhancing your overall quality of life. For adults over 50 and their caregivers, this knowledge is truly empowering. As we age, our bodies undergo a series of natural, yet often challenging, transformations. One of the most significant and impactful changes is age-related muscle loss, a condition scientifically known as sarcopenia. This progressive and generalized skeletal muscle disorder is characterized by an accelerated loss of muscle mass and strength. The good news, and this is crucial for our health-conscious audience, is that this decline is not an inevitable sentence. While it's a natural process, its severity and impact can be significantly mitigated. You absolutely can fight it and maintain remarkable strength and function well into your later years. Understanding sarcopenia is the first step towards proactive prevention and management. Sarcopenia can lead to a cascade of negative health outcomes, extending far beyond simple weakness. It dramatically increases the risk of falls, which can have devastating consequences for older adults, and makes performing everyday activities, like climbing stairs or carrying groceries, increasingly difficult. These challenges collectively diminish your independence and significantly reduce your quality of life. Furthermore, sarcopenia is linked to a higher risk of metabolic diseases, impaired immune function, and even cognitive decline. It's a systemic issue that impacts nearly every aspect of your well-being. Fortunately, by adopting the right strategies and making informed lifestyle choices, you can effectively prevent or even reverse this debilitating process, reclaiming your strength and vitality. And one often overlooked, yet incredibly powerful, ally in this fight against age-related muscle decline is collagen. This vital protein plays a far greater and more multifaceted role in our bodies than most people realize, especially when it comes to maintaining youthful strength and resilience. Let's explore its profound impact. Collagen is not just another protein, it is, in fact, the most abundant protein found in the human body, making up about 1/3 of its total protein content. Think of it as the primary structural component that provides strength, elasticity, and integrity to virtually all your connective tissues. It's the fundamental building block for your skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and, critically, your muscles. Imagine collagen as the intricate scaffolding that meticulously holds your entire body together, providing essential structural support, remarkable strength, and crucial elasticity. This complex network ensures that your tissues can withstand stress, maintain their shape, and function optimally. When this vital scaffolding begins to weaken or degrade, the structural integrity of your body starts to compromise, leading to a cascade of age-related issues. Unfortunately, the body's natural production of collagen begins to decline progressively with age, a process that typically starts in our mid-20s and continues steadily throughout life. This age-related reduction in collagen synthesis and an increase in its degradation contribute significantly to many common signs of aging. These include not only visible changes like wrinkles and sagging skin but also more profound internal issues such as joint stiffness, bone density loss, and, importantly, muscle weakness and slower recovery times after physical activity. This is precisely why your dietary choices become incredibly important as you age. What you consume directly influences your body's ability to produce, maintain, and repair its collagen structures. By understanding and optimizing your nutrition, you can actively support your body's collagen reserves, thereby bolstering your overall health and resilience. It's a proactive step towards maintaining youthful function and vitality. When it comes to directly boosting your body's collagen intake, bone broth stands out as one of the most ancient, revered, and effective remedies. This nutritional powerhouse is traditionally made by simmering the bones and connective tissues of beef, chicken, or fish for many hours, often extending to a full day or even longer. This slow, gentle cooking process is key to its potency. This extended simmering meticulously extracts a wealth of beneficial compounds from the bones. It releases significant amounts of collagen, which breaks down into gelatin, a rich source of amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the very building blocks of new collagen. Additionally, bone broth provides essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, transforming it into a true nutrient treasure for your entire body. Beyond bone broth, other foods can also contribute directly to your collagen intake. Certain cuts of meat, particularly those with connective tissue like pot roast, oxtail, or chicken with skin and bones, contain natural collagen. Fish skin, often discarded, is another excellent source of marine collagen, which is highly bioavailable. Incorporating these whole food sources into your diet can provide a direct supply of collagen peptides, supporting your body's structural needs. In addition to consuming foods that are rich in collagen itself, it is equally vital to nourish your body with nutrients that actively support its own internal collagen production. These specific foods and their components act as the essential builders, providing the raw materials and catalytic agents your body needs to synthesize new, strong collagen fibers. Without these crucial cofactors, even abundant collagen intake might not be fully utilized. Vitamin C is arguably the most critical element in this intricate process. It acts as the indispensable key that unlocks and triggers the complex chemical reactions required to form stable collagen fibers. Specifically, vitamin C is a necessary cofactor for the enzymes prolohydroxylase and lysohydroxylase, which are responsible for hydroxylating proline and lysine residues in collagen. Without adequate vitamin C, collagen synthesis simply cannot proceed efficiently, leading to weak and unstable collagen structures. Therefore, ensuring a consistent and ample intake of vitamin C is paramount for robust collagen health. Excellent and delicious sources of this vital nutrient include vibrant oranges, tangy grapefruits, sweet strawberries, antioxidant-rich blueberries, and colorful bell peppers, especially red and yellow varieties. Other great options are kiwi, broccoli, and leafy greens. Make it a conscious effort to incorporate these vitamin C powerhouses into your daily diet to actively support your body's collagen-building machinery. Beyond vitamin C, you also need a consistent supply of high-quality protein, as amino acids are the fundamental building blocks from which collagen is constructed. Collagen is unique in its amino acid profile, being particularly rich in glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. To ensure your body has these essential components readily available, focus on consuming diverse protein sources. Good sources include lean meats such as chicken and turkey, which provide a complete amino acid profile. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, offers not only protein but also beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs are another excellent and versatile protein source. For those following plant-based diets, a combination of legumes, like beans and lentils, nuts, seeds, chia, flax, hemp, and whole grains can provide a comprehensive array of amino acids necessary for collagen synthesis. Ensuring adequate protein intake is non-negotiable for maintaining muscle mass and supporting collagen production. Let me share an inspiring story about Mrs. Gable, a truly wonderful 70-year-old woman who came to Health Hub Central seeking guidance. She had been struggling significantly with her mobility, often felt weak and unsteady, and consequently, had developed a deep-seated hesitation towards any form of exercise. Her confidence in her physical abilities had waned considerably, impacting her daily life. Working together, we introduced some remarkably simple, yet incredibly powerful, dietary adjustments to her routine. We incorporated a daily serving of nutrient-dense bone broth, rich in collagen and essential minerals, and ensured her diet was consistently high in quality protein to support muscle repair and growth. These changes were foundational, providing her body with the necessary building blocks for recovery and strength. Alongside these nutritional enhancements, Mrs. Gable cautiously began a tailored exercise program. We started with very light, gentle movements, carefully designed to match her current abilities and build her confidence. These small, consistent steps gradually increased in intensity as her strength and comfort improved. The focus was on progressive overload, ensuring her muscles were continually challenged without being overwhelmed. The results of her dedication in these strategic interventions were nothing short of amazing. Her mobility improved dramatically, allowing her to move with greater ease and less pain. Her confidence soared as she realized her body was capable of more than she had imagined, and her energy levels saw a significant boost. Now, Mrs. Gable proudly walks her beloved dog every single day, an activity she once believed was utterly impossible for her. Her quality of life has been completely transformed, serving as a powerful testament to the impact of informed health choices. While certain foods are powerful allies in building collagen and maintaining muscle, it's equally important to understand that others can actively damage these vital structures. For our health-conscious audience, recognizing these detrimental foods is key to a truly effective wellness program. Processed foods, particularly those laden with excessive sugar or unhealthy trans and saturated fats, can severely impede collagen absorption and significantly increase systemic inflammation. This creates a hostile internal environment that actively works against your body's efforts to stay strong and resilient. The absolute worst offender in this category is refined sugar. Its consumption triggers a damaging process known as glycation, or more specifically, the formation of advanced glycation end products, AGEs. In this process, sugar molecules bind to collagen and elastin fibers, forming crosslinks that make these essential proteins stiff, brittle, and less elastic. This directly contributes to accelerated aging, not just in the skin, but also in tendons, ligaments, and muscle connective tissues, making them more prone to injury and less efficient. Furthermore, highly processed snacks, deep-fried foods, and products containing artificial additives and preservatives are notorious for promoting chronic inflammation throughout the body. This persistent inflammatory state actively breaks down existing collagen, hinders its repair mechanisms, and significantly slows down muscle recovery after exercise. By reducing your intake of these inflammatory foods, you create a more favorable environment for collagen synthesis and muscle health, allowing your body to thrive. Let me share another insightful case, that of Mr. Henderson. He was diligently taking collagen supplements every day, hoping to improve his muscle strength and boost his energy levels. Despite his consistent efforts with supplementation, he wasn't noticing any significant improvement, which left him feeling frustrated and confused about why the collagen wasn't working for him. When we conducted a thorough review of his daily diet and lifestyle habits, the underlying issue became clear. We discovered that Mr. Henderson regularly consumed sugary sodas and indulged in processed snacks throughout the day. These seemingly innocuous habits were, in fact, completely counteracting any potential benefits he might have gained from his collagen supplements. The inflammatory and glycation-promoting effects of his diet were undermining his efforts. After receiving personalized guidance, Mr. Henderson committed to making significant changes. He drastically cut back on refined sugar and transitioned to a diet rich in fresh, whole, nutrient-dense foods. This shift included more fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Once these dietary improvements were in place, his body responded positively and remarkably quickly. He began to feel noticeably stronger, his energy levels increased, and he finally started to see the tangible results he had been seeking. This transformation in Mr. Henderson's experience powerfully illustrates a crucial point. Collagen, whether from food or supplements, works best within the context of an overall healthy diet and lifestyle. It was only when he addressed the detrimental dietary habits that the collagen truly started working for him, allowing his body to heal, rebuild, and thrive. This story underscores the importance of a holistic approach to health. While a collagen-rich diet is an incredibly powerful component of your wellness strategy, it's essential to understand that it represents just one piece of a larger, interconnected puzzle. For optimal results in truly ageless living, it works most effectively when seamlessly combined with a comprehensive healthy lifestyle and consistent, appropriate physical activity. This holistic approach ensures all systems in your body are supported. Resistance training, in particular, is absolutely essential for stimulating muscle growth, improving muscle strength, and significantly enhancing bone density, which is crucial for preventing osteoporosis in older adults. This can include various forms of exercise such as lifting weights, utilizing resistance bands, or performing bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups. These activities create micro-tears in muscle fibers, which then repair and grow back stronger, a process greatly aided by adequate protein and collagen. Before embarking on any significant changes to your diet or exercise regimen, especially if you are an adult over 50, have pre-existing health conditions, or are currently taking medications, it is always paramount to consult with your doctor or a qualified nutrition expert. They can provide personalized advice, ensure your new plan is safe and appropriate for your individual needs, and help you navigate any potential interactions or concerns. Your health and safety are our top priority. To effectively maintain strong muscles, support robust joint health, and naturally boost your body's collagen production, we recommend starting with these 3 actionable steps. Incorporate collagen-rich foods. Make a conscious effort to add collagen-rich foods, such as nutrient-dense bone broth, to your daily or weekly diet. These provide direct sources of collagen peptides and essential amino acids. Prioritize collagen-supporting nutrients. Ensure your diet is abundant in vitamin C from fruits and vegetables, and consistently includes high-quality protein sources. These are the critical cofactors and building blocks your body needs to synthesize its own strong collagen. Eliminate collagen-damaging foods. Significantly reduce your intake of refined sugar and highly processed foods. These items actively damage collagen structures and promote inflammation, undermining your efforts to stay strong and healthy. The most effective and sustainable strategy for long-term health and vitality combines smart, targeted nutrition with consistent, appropriate physical activity. Together, these pillars form a powerful synergy that helps you stay strong, flexible, and full of life, allowing you to embrace every stage of your journey with confidence and energy, no matter your chronological age. Our ultimate goal at Health Hub Central is to empower you to build and preserve your muscle mass, enhance your overall resilience, and maintain your independence. By following these science-backed principles, you can live longer, enjoy a higher quality of life, and truly savor every precious moment. And that, my friends, is how collagen, combined with intelligent lifestyle choices, helps you build stronger muscles and maintain youthful vitality well after 50. If you found this video informative and helpful, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to Health Hub Central for more expert advice, and turn on the notification bell emoji, to stay updated on all our science-backed health tips. Your engagement helps us reach more people who can benefit from this vital information. We love hearing from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, or let me know what health topic you'd like me to cover next in the comments section below. Your input guides our content and helps us serve you better. I'm Dr. Thomax, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where true health and lasting longevity begin with understanding and informed action. Stay well.